Tips for a guy to like you. In the plane of the romantic, every detail counts. These tricks are usually disdained by most, but their importance is much greater than it might seem at first glance, since we can increase our potential for success with them. Some examples. 1. Blinking. Eyelashes are a tool as subtle as effective to show interest in a person. Among the things to do to please a man, showing him our attachment with a loving look stands out. 2. Touching the hair. It is shown that girls tend to caress their hair when they are attracted to someone, and men know it perfectly. Taking advantage of it can allow us to call his attention in a very simple way. 3. Flatter them. Feeling the center of attention has been important for men since they used to presume their hunting pieces. Nowadays, it is still important for them to feel comfortable giving a laugh at their jokes. 4. Praise him. Anyone likes to be complimented, and on a psychological level such a sensation, while pleasant, leads to looking for more similar experiences. In other words, we like to spend time with the people who flatter us. 5. Sitting together. Something as simple as sitting together in class or looking for a common taste can serve as a first approximation between two people. The more time you spend together, the much needed trust will be established first. 6. Receive him with a smile. We all unconsciously seek the approval of the rest to feel more confident about ourselves, and such approval is usually identified with the smile. It is a simple and effective way to result pleasant. With the aforementioned tricks or tips, it will be very easy to quickly secure a man's interest in us. Calling his attention is much easier if you use the aforementioned tools, provided it is done with the necessary subtlety. Learn how to get a boyfriend. Click or tap the link on or below this video to download this free ebook.